hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button because over 50% of you that watch my content are not subscribed, and that really hurts my feelings. So make sure you subscribe. I would love for us to hit 10,000 this year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And before I dive into today's video, which is a current Lush favourites, because I feel like I haven't told you what Lush products I'm using at the moment, what I'm loving and that kind of jazz, I'm going to do that, obviously, very exciting. However, I do just want to address something because I just want to get it off my chest. So recently The Sun have wrote multiple articles about myself saying that I said that bath bombs from Lush are a rip-off and that here's how to get free stuff from Lush and all that stuff. I do just want to address it because I feel like The Sun twist your words. And the people, when I say people, I mean the Karens who are about 50 years old telling me I'm an idiot on Facebook, they don't watch my content, so they don't know what I'm trying to say. Do you know what I mean? So when it comes to getting free stuff from Lush, I mentioned that there's a kindness scheme that Lush will give one free item a day potentially to a customer that they feel would deserve it, i.e. had a bad day, do a lot for the community, are very selfless, who they just feel deserves it. It's not to certain people, and also I do just want to say that there was another one that said that apparently I said that Lush bath bombs are a rip-off, which I don't, because I buy them myself. I buy every single new Lush bath bomb that there is. I do all the hauls, so if it was really a rip-off I wouldn't be doing them. But I do just want to say that obviously I did say that the bubble bars, you get more value for money because you can use them more than once, which is a statement that I stand by because you can cut them up, use them more than once. I don't understand why you would want to use a £7 bubble bar in one bath. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, I just had to get that off my chest because it keeps popping up. There was another one today and I just feel like you guys know truly what I'm trying to say. They're just watching parts of my content. So anyway, if The Sun, if you're watching this, please stop writing things about me and twisting my words. Thank you. But anyway, on a positive note, we're going to do a Lush favourites today because I have quite a few things here that I have been literally using in my everyday bathroom routine, and I just want to share them with you because I'm really enjoying them and I feel like I don't do these that often anymore, so I wanted to do one. Basically. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into my current Lush faves. Let's go. Grab yourselves a drink. I actually have an iced coffee here, but it's kind of melted. So yeah, anyway, enjoy. Let's go. So the first two items that I'm going to share with you are actually products you can't buy anymore. So I'm really, really sorry that you can't buy them. However, one of them actually might be... Actually, you possibly could get that now. I think they've just released some, so actually you might be able to get this. This is the Happy Skin Facial Exfoliator. Mine looks rank because I keep it in the bathroom, in the shower, so the label is all kind of coming off and it looks a bit gross. So I'm going to show you this part because this part looks okay. But this is a really incredible fine exfoliator for the skin. I absolutely love this. It's so fine and gentle that I feel like if you've got more sensitive skin but you do want an exfoliant, this is perfect. And the ingredients in this, we have got saffron infusion, which by the way, I hate saffron. It smells gross, but I get past that. So saffron infusion, bamboo stem extract. We've also got tagua nut powder, argan oil, extra virgin coconut oil, rosehip oil, jackfruit juice, vanilla absolute. It's basically just full of loads of lovely ingredients, and it doesn't smell mega saffron-y, I'm not gonna lie. Like the smell of pure saffron I absolutely despise, but this is quite nice. It's like a fresh saffron, if you know what I mean. Oh, it does smell good though. But yeah, it looks like this. It's like a creamy, thick cream, and it's got a very fine exfoliant. Like basically it feels finer than sand. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's literally no exfoliant in there, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it's just really nice at getting any dead skin off my skin. I have been really gravitating towards this recently. I do always do a cleanse anyway. This is kind of an extra step that I just do just before I cleanse, just to get any dead skin off my face, and I'm really impressed with this. So I think they have released this actually. Should I just quickly look? Let me look, one second. So I've just had a look on the Lush website and you can in fact buy this. This is £14 for 100 grams, which is this size, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. I really like it. Definitely recommend it. If you can get past the saffron smell, if you don't like saffron, this is lovely. So just gentle and amazing. So I've been really enjoying this. The next product I know for a fact you cannot buy anymore, so I am really sorry. This is actually a little bit of an older one in my collection. I don't even know when I had this, but this is the Snow Cake Shower Gel. This is really, really good. I love the smell of snow cake. It's not my ultimate favourite, but it does remind me of like Lush Christmas. It smells like, it's like marzipan. Did you see that? It smells like marzipan. It's the same smell as that jelly that came out for Christmas that has the 3 layers. That is what this smells like. It's a very cherry, kind of Di Serrano sweet smell. Really, really good though. I really like it, and it's just a very moisturising kind of shower gel. It's definitely more on the more moisturising side than the other shower gels that I have. But ingredients wise, this one has benzoin resinoid, rose absolute, cassia absolute. I think that's basically it, and almond infusion. So it is really almondy, but it's really yummy as well. So I've been using that and I've just been really enjoying it. I do tend to use one shower gel at a time, so I don't have all my shower gels out or anything. I do just use them and finish them up. So this is what I'm using at the moment, and I really like that. So the next item before I move on to all of the naked items is an absolute staple of mine, and that is the cup of coffee face mask. I love this so, so much. Honestly, this has been my ultimate staple face mask for so many years. This along with Mask of Magminty. Amazing. I love this so much. This is a beautiful coffee scented face mask. I love coffee. If you guys didn't know, I'm a big coffee advocate. I love it. So this has agave syrup, kaolin, coffee infusion, ground coffee, vetiver oil, vanilla absolute, coriander seed oil, and roasted cocoa extract. So it's kind of like a mocha. It's so good. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys. Looks like this. I am running out, which is so upsetting. So I'm going to have to get myself another one, but oh, it just smells so good. I cannot describe it. If you like coffee, you will love this. If you hate coffee, you probably won't like it, but honestly, the smell of this alone brings me joy. Like if I could smell like this all the time, oh, it's absolutely unbelievable. So yeah, if you haven't tried this, I really recommend it. It is very scrubby, so if you've got very sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't. Maybe get a sample of it to try. But it is really beautiful. It's got a very kind of oilier texture, so it is very moisturising. I used it last night and I loved it. So yeah, highly recommend it. If you haven't tried it, get a sample. It's beautiful. So the next item is the current soap. Oh, you saw a sneak peek there. The current soap that I'm using at the moment, and that is Outback, mate. Now this soap, the smell of this is pure nostalgic to me. It reminds me of when I used to work for Lush. I love the smell of this so much. It's so fresh, it's minty, it's clean. This is the sort of soap that I would really want to have in a downstairs bathroom if I'm lucky enough to have 2 bathrooms in a house, or even in just a general bathroom. It's a very kind of clean, fresh, soapy soap smell. Does that make any sense? It's very minty. I have got the ingredients up on my phone. So for 100 grams, which isn't this size, this is quite a small piece, it is £5. And ingredients wise, you have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil. Did I say coconut oil twice? I said coconut oil twice. Eucalyptus oil, lemongrass oil, peppermint oil. So it is very, very minty, and I just love it. It smells beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. And I'm not a massive soap fan, like a solid soap fan. I don't tend to gravitate towards these over shower gels by any means, but I am trying to get through a lot of my products at the moment, so I am using more and more soaps. Before, I was kind of keeping them for when I moved house, but I just feel like I don't need that many soaps, so I'm just trying to get through as many as possible. So this is the one I'm using at the moment, and it's delish. Oh, amazing. So the next item is an absolute staple in my collection, in my routine. Just something that I have used for so long, and it is a favourite of mine. I have been obsessed with this product for so long, and that is the Scrubee body scrub. Granted, mine doesn't look very fresh and very clean. Normally in these sorts of videos I would grab a new one, but I just thought I would show you the one that I'm actually using, because you can see that I'm actually using it. But this is the one that I'm using at the moment, and I have got the ingredients up again on my phone. So these are £9.50. I swear they used to be a lot cheaper than that, but these are £9.50, and ingredients wise, you've got fair trade cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut shell, honey, ground almonds, coconut oil, bergamot oil, and orange oil. Now with this product, it's a very oily product, so the only thing I would say is don't use this and wash your hair. because it kind of makes your hair really oily in the water. Like, I don't know if you wash your hair in the bath, but if you do, I wouldn't recommend using this at the same time. Wash your hair first and then use this, but it is a very, very oily product, and I don't know if you can see on my fingers, but that is the ground coconut shell on there, so it's a very, very fine scrub, but it just makes your skin so soft. Using this for when you shave your legs, absolutely unreal. The only thing I would say is be very careful if you shave your legs first and then use this, because it's like scratchy, do you know what I mean? But this is beautiful, absolutely love it. And it smells like chocolate, like white chocolate. I don't know how to describe it. It's very cocoa buttery. That's how I would describe it. Chocolate cocoa butter is what this smells like. And last but not least is a facial cleanser, but I use this more as a facial wash, and that is the charcoal facial soap. This used to be called Coal Face years ago, but they've changed the name now to the charcoal facial scrub, so that is what this is. And mine has a massive indent in it because I actually use an electric facial exfoliator with this, so I kind of get the brush and just like rub it all around. The smell of this is unreal. So nostalgic, fresh, amazing, and it is a little bit sparkly, which I don't know why, but I really enjoy that. But that's what this looks like. Price wise, they are £10, but what I would say about these, and I'm going to be completely honest, is they last for ages. Absolutely ages. I don't use this every day, granted, I only probably use this a couple times a week, but I have had this for ages, and you can see the dent in it. It's just gonna last me a lifetime, so definitely worth the money in my opinion. And ingredients wise, this one has licorice root decoction, whatever that is. It also has cocoa butter, coconut oil, castor oil, rosewood oil and sandalwood oil, so it is a very nice smell. It doesn't smell earthy, it doesn't smell overpowering, it's just very fresh. It's really nice. I really like this. It works really well for like blackheads and things, and I just use it as an exfoliator, and I kind of go all around my face, and it just makes my skin so clean. So that is my last favourite. I've been really, really enjoying it, and smells delish. So that is everything for my current Lush favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and don't forget to let me know down below your favourites, what products you've been loving, and that kind of thing. So yes, let me know those down below. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. It would make me incredibly happy, and I would love to hit 10k. So if you haven't subscribed, please, now is your time to do so. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!